In a lush, verdant valley, where the sun kissed the earth, lived a gazelle named Giselle. Known for her radiant beauty and grace, Giselle was the envy of all creatures. Yet, Giselle's heart was restless, for she yearned for something more than her glistening coat and swift legs could provide. One day, a wise old owl, named Oswald, visited the valley. Oswald was renowned for his wisdom and insight. Giselle, captivated by his knowledge, sought his advice. "Oswald," she asked, "I have all the beauty and speed, yet I feel an emptiness within. What can I do to find fulfillment?" Oswald pondered for a moment, then spoke, "Giselle, your beauty and speed are gifts, but they are not the key to true fulfillment. Look not for success, but for purpose. Find something greater than yourself to devote your life to." Giselle pondered Oswald's words. She realized that her grace and beauty could be used to help others, to bring joy, and to inspire. With this newfound purpose, Giselle began to visit the sick and the weak, sharing her energy and spirit with those who needed it most. The villagers soon noticed the change in Giselle. They marveled at her selflessness and kindness, and their respect for her grew. Giselle's heart, once restless, now felt fulfilled, for she had found a purpose greater than herself in helping others. Thus, the story of Giselle serves as a reminder that true fulfillment comes not from personal gain, but from helping others and finding a purpose greater than ourselves. For it is in giving that we receive the greatest rewards, and it is in sharing our gifts that we truly come alive.